Welcome to this Unboxing Korea program. The Foreign Ministry started this special program last February. We try to offer various opportunities for foreigners in Korea to better understand Korean culture and society. This is part of the program. Enjoy the tour and take care.
It's interesting to see the old palaces, then you can relate to old culture of Korea, so we can understand better the old Korea with the palace culture that really important for us to remember.
I would like to mention that seeing the remainings of a profound culture and the remainings of that beautiful architecture is only a reflection of perfection. Enjoy very much seeing how beautiful this culture is and how they have trying to do their best to reflect and to maintain a spirit of heritage, human heritage and cultural heritage as well.
I guess that's in this year. That's the first time I came to Changdeokgung, and like especially in the Moonlight, that was really cool thing. And going to especially that the secret garden, that was also very fantastic experience.